Coming up in today's video, guys, we've got skin, we've got wax, and we've got some middle ear effusion as well. Interesting, interesting. My name is Taylor Green. I'm one of the audiologists here at Audiology Associates.
My name is Rhys Barber. I'm the other audiologist here at Audiology Associates. And you can see this is this one's my patient, and we've got this lovely wax right at the entrance to the canal.
It's finished already.
Super duper easy, like done and dusted. Don't mess about, Taylor Green. Just a bit tidied up now around this. So we do clear out the other ear canal as well, but looking lovely and healthy. Textbook eardrum there, and with this one very similar, very dry. You couldn't tell quite how deep it went, so we're going to get this out as well. Just having a good look, checking out any gaps so we might be able to exploit if we need to, but just detaching from the entrance to the canal. There we go. Yeah. Look at that.
Patient, I would have imagine wouldn't have had any issues with the hearing on that one.
Not on that one.
Like itching and just essentially a sensation that something's in there.
Yeah, something moving around, or the other one we get a lot is patients who have like baths and showers, and they're feeling constantly blocked up after it, so getting a water trap behind it. That's the other thing you'll experience on this one as well. So there we go.
Nice.
Oh, there's a little bit there. Like I couldn't leave that bit behind, Taylor Green. I got to get that bit as well. See, like nearly, everyone's throwing their tablets and phones across the room. Like, no, we left wax there again. That's a hell of a throw, that is. Ripping it off the wall. So what we got? Just over, I don't know. Well, that's an inch. That's it. Anyone's money, that's an inch. So next patient's yours, which I think is skin and wax, isn't it?
Oh, this is the compacted. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, look at that.
Cotton bud user. Yeah, you can tell straight away. You've got a big dent going straight down the middle of it. It's all squashed up against the ear canal.
Yeah.
Patient admitted to it as well, coming in, to be fair. So, we do get a lot of people coming through saying, no, don't touch those things. And you take a look and it's like this, and you're like,
yes.
Really?
Yeah. It's it's really, really impacted, and you can see it's just absolutely solid as a rock.
The reason I've got the fine end on here, the reason I've used the fine end is purely because the patient has mentioned a little bit of tinnitus, a little bit of ringing. Not it's manageable. It's not loud. It could possibly be just to do with the blockage, but I didn't want to risk making it any worse, to be fair. So I wanted to keep it down as much as possible. With this being so deep, I didn't want to go straight in with the manual tools either. Because I wanted to see how loose this might be. I know it looked quite compact, but sometimes they do come free quite easily. And we're getting little bits that are coming away.
It's like brittle layers, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think you could have got, you may well have got the rosin inserted just above that end, but being so deep in the length of the hook on the rosin, I don't know whether you would have got the angle to get it out looking at that.
Yeah. You can see, I was just going to say, you can see the whole thing is starting to move a little bit there now, so we've managed to, sorry if I'm doing my nose, I've got a bit of an itch in my nose. I don't want to be picking my nose.
I don't want it, whatever you got, you can keep it. I've seen The Walking Dead. This is how it starts. I tell you.
Wake up. Oh, my arm's falling off. So I'm just trying to hold this grip here because it's coming loose, but it's still holding on somewhere, and I don't know. It looks like it's holding on at the roof of the ear canal there. So I'm going to try and give this a little bit of a wiggle here. Patient's absolutely fine through this. I'm always, we do always, check with the patient, make sure that they're still comfortable, make sure the noise is not too much, not interfering.
Oh, that came away nicely.
You can see how dry it was. It fell off.
Throw it at the patient.
Yeah. A little bit left now at the entrance. Still sticking with the fine end. Patient's already hearing so much better because we've got a clear view down to the eardrum there.
This is probably the hardest or the most difficult bit to get away without causing any discomfort, this particular section there rather than the other one. Yeah. Oh, nice.
Look
at Green.
Look
at that. Perfect suction tube handle. I think that's exactly the spot. There we go. Out it comes.
I'm not overly concerned about this little bit at the top here. No. Again, just because of the tinnitus. I didn't want this to whistle.
This is hard.
Yeah, it looks nice and soft. Patient has been using a bit of oil in the both ears, to be fair, which does really help.
That's what you want to see.
Yeah.
That's a lovely peel.
That's the the perfect outcome.
That is, yeah. We just drop on it and up
Yep,
it comes.
there it goes. Yeah, like we mentioned on Rhys's just now, this one wasn't really given as much issue with the hearing because, you know, we could see the eardrum to start with, more of a sensation that something had been pushed in. So yeah, coming away really nicely.
Oh, nearly.
Yeah, nearly. I'm waiting for this to
there it
there it
goes.
is.
Nice.
Yeah, squeaky looking eardrum, nice and squeaky clean.
There you go.
I've got just over 3 centimeters. I'd say.
Inch and a quarter again. Yeah, they've either been 3/4 of an inch or inch and a quarter. So this is mine. So I've got skin and wax as well. This one, and this one's really dry. It's tough as old boots. This one, it's absolutely solid. There you go. We got it in there. See, look, we got it in there. I did say I was going to try and get a few more of these in.
Patient was a diamond.
Diamond, absolute start. They were a trooper indeed. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Oh, look at that.
Oh, there's a bit of a mixture in
There's
there.
a lot going. It's like a licorice all sorts in there. Like there's all sorts happening in there.
Not a fan of licorice all sorts.
No, me. No.
I don't like licorice.
You get the sandwich ones, you got like the sort of coloured candy at the top and the bottom. I'd pick the coloured candy off you, I'd just leave the licorice behind. That's a sweet of desperation, that is.
Yeah, that's a kind of a box you would get someone if you're not really a fan of them. Got you something for Christmas.
Oh, thanks. That's lovely. Licorice.
Licorice.
I'd say my favourite is Quality Street. They were my favourite. And you're
strawberry ones.
Oh, country fudge. So I used to be terrible when I was a kid. I'm a sucker for fudge. When I was a kid, I used to get in there at Christmas first, take all the country fudges out, bar like 1 or 2. Right?
Oh,
and
this one's got no fudge.
I'd hide them all under the sofa cushion. I'd sit there, I'd pull them out the sofa cushion, I'd eat the fudge, and I'd wrap the wrappers with these really big tall vases next to the fireplace, and we'd drop in the wrappers. When they empty, when we moved house, there's hundreds of these wrappers in there.
Gosh, we completely missed you actually.
Oh, I'm sorry, yeah, it was really good. It was one of my best ones, I think.
This is mine now, my patient. This is the one actually has got a little bit of middle ear effusion. You can see we've got a lot of skin again in this one. You can see by it's kind of stretchy a little bit. It's quite soft, quite flexible. Got a good grip here now.
That's good. Oh, look at that.
Decent, oh, there we go. That's pretty much unblocked the...
This is your patient with middle ear effusion, isn't it?
Yeah, I think
so. Yeah, this is the middle ear effusion one, I think it is. Spelled it or whatever.
No, I just said there was a middle ear
effusion. You did you?
Yeah.
Did you really just say that? No. Oh my word. Sorry, Taylor.
Gosh.
I tuned out then. I was still thinking about fudge. I was reminiscing.
Oh gosh.
Sorry, buddy. Sorry, viewers.
So yeah, ear canal's already clear. Now a lot of the time when we get patients with middle ear effusion, you can see, you know, if you're eagle-eyed, you might see like little dark patches on the eardrum. Now, and there was a little bit of redness there as well, and that can be a sign of middle ear effusion, which is just fluid, or glue ear is another common name for it. They generally tend to clear themselves in the sort of less severe cases. It may take a few weeks, usually about 6 to 8 weeks, is it?
Yeah, you go. They say sometimes up to 12 altogether. Sometimes, yeah, but more commonly it'll resolve usually about 6 weeks or so. It'll usually have gone.
No ruler shots, sorry guys. Rhys has given me a bit of a slap on the wrist saying I need to put more ruler shots in, but I forgot on this one. Abuse.
I was going to have to slap on the head next time when this does it, I know.
Where's your ruler shot? Cover in the corner. Sorry.
I was going to start flicking you with the ruler. Taylor, ruler shot.
Use these.
Yeah. Well, guys, I hope you really enjoyed it. I don't think we talked about wax much in that video then. But I hope you enjoyed that video as much as me and Taylor did voicing it over.
You can tell we're voicing these in the evening at the end of the day rather than first thing in the morning when we're like this.
First thing in the morning we're really quiet and we're really hungry and we want tea and coffee, and by the end of the day we're just it's a free-for-all. We'll go for it, wherever comes out. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching that video again. If you did enjoy the videos, don't forget you can always like, heart, share, follow and subscribe to me. That'd be fantastic. And if you have ear problems yourself, make sure you check out the link tree in the description. There's lots of interesting stuff about us on there, and you can book yourself an appointment with myself or the lovely Mr. Taylor Green. But as always, guys, take care of yourselves,
take care of your ears,
and take care of one another, and we shall see you again real soon. Bye everyone.
Bye.